Lesson 7. Common time, staccato and accents, plus left-hand notes F and C. Common time. The 4/4 time signature is often referred to as common time. Sometimes the letter C is used at the start of the music to indicate that the piece is in 4/4 time. Doodle, the next piece, is in 4/4 time. Staccato means short and jumpy. If you see a dot just above or below a note, you should play the note staccato. It should sound like these notes in Merrily We Jump Along. So when you play Merrily We Jump Along, just use your left hand finger number 2 and hop along the notes. Now your left hand will be playing middle C. At the moment, you're going to put your thumb on middle C. So for the next tune, your thumb will be on middle C and your finger 4 will be on G. Here it is, Shave and a Haircut. No one knew the sky was blue. F is just to the left of G. Put your left hand, finger number 5, on F and play Frozen Rain. The accent sign. An accent sign looks like a V on its side. When you see it written above or just under a note, it means that you should play that note slightly louder. In Ocean View, you can practice playing the accented notes with more emphasis or louder than the others. Here is Ocean View. The next tune jumps from left hand F to right hand F and back again. Before you play it, make sure you know where to find all of these Fs. First find F.